All right, those were just my mini graham cracker crusts in my muffin tin. Next, I'm gonna come in with a couple of bananas that I sliced up into coins, and we're gonna add about 3 slices of our banana right onto the bottom of these delicious graham cracker crusts. Now, I'm making this an individual kind of mini pie dessert, but you can make this one large pie, or you can just do some graham crackers in the bottom of a 13 by 9 for this recipe. That is the beauty of this, but I love these mini crusts. They are just so fun, and they just make dessert that much more delicious because everyone gets their own. So we're just gonna quickly get these bananas in there super fast. All right, now that these have their bananas, we're gonna put it to the side, and we're gonna grab a large bowl and a whisk, and we're gonna add 2 boxes of our banana cream instant pudding right in there. I like to use the 2 small boxes so that we get a full 6.8 ounces. The big one is only 5, so we need 2 of the small boxes. Now I'm gonna grab 2 cups of our cold whole milk, and we're gonna add that into our pudding. Now, it might seem like we're just making a traditional banana cream pie, but we're doing something so much better, so delicious, so perfect for, you know, a party or a barbecue, whatever you want to make this for. People will love it. And you don't have to turn on your oven. Everything is going to be no bake, which is my favorite way to make dessert. Oh, that pudding smells incredible. I cannot wait to see how these come out. And once we get that liquid fully combined with our pudding mix, which I feel like it is, it's already starting to get thick, that's when we can move on to our next step. And that is our extra creamy Cool Whip. Now you guys can make your own whipped topping if that's what you prefer, but I wanted this to be super easy. That is my style. I like Cool Whip, and I think it just comes together so much faster when you're able to just pull out 1 tub, 8 ounces of Cool Whip. And we are just going to fold that in with our pudding, and we're gonna have the creamiest, most delicious banana cream. It's almost like a mousse once we add that Cool Whip. It is so yummy. So let's get this well combined. Okay, this looks absolutely flawless. All right, let's give it a little taste test because I can't help myself.
Is it good?
Too good. All right, let's bring back our mini pie crust, and I have here an ice cream scoop, and we are just gonna scoop our delicious banana cream pudding Cool Whip right on top of those bananas. We kind of want a nice heaping on each one of our mini pies so that they have all of that goodness in there and no one is left out with not enough of our banana cream pudding. But this is not our last step. We have something that we're gonna add on top that's really just gonna tie everything together and make your guests go, wow. So let's finish scooping these up and get them ready. All right, we're gonna grab our mini spatula and kind of just flatten these out. They don't need to be perfect. We just don't want them to have any kind of like awkward, you know, points or laps. We want to make sure that our bananas are fully covered. And for our next delicious ingredient. Yummy.
What's the next ingredient?
Oh, you're gonna have to see. You're really gonna love it, even though you're allergic to bananas. Right. Banana with a little bit of chocolate frosting. And this, I did put it in the microwave to melt a little bit. I have my cookie scoop, and we're just gonna grab some of that delicious frosting and scoop it right in the center of our mini pies, just like so. It's okay if it kind of, you know, runs off. We kind of want to cover up that pudding the best we can. But look how decadent that looks. It almost looks like an ice cream sundae. But what this is it's a play on an eclair, but with banana, and they're pies. So it's kind of, you know, a wild twist, but it's gonna be so delicious. Woo! So ready for this to be done. All right.
It's like a chocolate covered banana.
Yeah, exactly. I love those flavors. So let's quickly finish this up. Oh my goodness, these look incredible. Now, the only thing that will make this better is just adding 1 banana right on top, right in the center, just like this. How cute is that?
Oh wow, these look delicious.
So I used a total of 3 smaller bananas for this, and it was the perfect amount. Oh yeah. All right, now these are gonna go in the fridge for a couple of hours. Oh my, okay, it's been 3 hours in the fridge. Our bananas did brown a little bit, but I'm not worried about it because they still look so delicious. Our little banana cream pie eclair dessert is ready. I'm so excited to dig into this. Got chocolate, bananas, pudding, graham crackers. I want to get some of that crust. Look at that chocolate. You know that's going to be good. No way. Oh my gosh. This beats a chocolate covered banana. You guys are going to love this.